Hello, my beautiful, magical beings. I have something special to tell you. I came up with a new phrase that sounds like this: every action you do is a success. Honestly, this is the truth because every action again that you make, that you take, is a success. People, many people, most of the people have many hopes, they have dreams, but they never actually act. It's not about finishing, it's not always about the final result. It's about also the present. And the fact that you started to follow your excitement, you started, wow, this is magic, that you started to activate that inner fire within you and follow that passion, follow that impulse, follow your truth. This is already a fucking success. So I'm telling you, you are successful in what you do. If you see success as, oh, I just have to earn millions, I have to have many followers, or this is your personal goal. But success as the energy is already here for you. Open your beautiful, magical eyes and tell yourself right in a mirror. Pause the video or go after the video and tell yourself that I am successful in what I do. The fact that I made a decision to start, to move, to change something in my life already says that I am successful. I am a legend. The fact that you already follow the road, you already are in tune with what you want to be, with what you want to achieve, is already a process of success. And be excited about it. If you are doing the things that represent your energy, that represent your passion, I congratulate you. I love you so much. I love people who can act on their passion, who are reading the signs and who see the signs from the universe. It can be numbers, it can be a bird, it can be a human, someone who just told you something maybe so simple or so random, but it activated something inside and now you know. Or it can be also a confirmation from the universe that yes, darling, you are on the right path. The universe supports you. I am here to tell you that I support you. We are here for a reason. Everyone has its own reason because everyone lives kind of in its own bubble. I live in my own bubble. I have my own personal laws. I have my own system belief. I have the idea of who I am, what I want to do, and I love to be in this bubble. I love my world, my inner universe. All I'm here to do is let it out, to bring everything, all that abundance, all that wealth I have within, to reveal it here into this physical world. Because as physical beings, this is what we are here to do. Tell me your truth. Express your energy. Because we are made out of so many things. We are complex beings. The fact that you are here in this avatar we call human being, Homo sapiens, the fact that you are here is already a universal blessing. Before I was thinking that it's a gift, but it's not really a gift. It's personal evolution. We just evolved as energy to that level when we are allowed to become a human being, to enter this life on earth. We just evolved. We all are different. We all have our own limits, our own idea of time, our own cycles. Some are slower, some are faster, some are somewhere in between, and it's not bad, it's not good. Everyone just has its own time. Everyone has its own energy, and that's why the energies are different here on this planet. Some are higher, some are lower, some are deep and intense energies, full of passion. Some are calm and more welcoming and more healing. Isn't it beautiful that we all are different creatures just gathering on this planet from different sources, from different really civilizations, star seeds, from different planets. We all just gather on this beautiful planet Earth, on this mother who is welcoming us with open heart. It doesn't matter if your primal source is evil, she doesn't care. She takes you as her child. If your energy is full of beauty, the earth doesn't really divide this. She is filtering because she wants to know, okay, who is coming next? Who are you? And this is the strength of this planet, very feminine, because she is taking any energy in her own world. She is receiving any type of consciousness, any level, and every being has its own mission here, but she is a mother. She welcomes everyone. Just imagine how powerful this mother is, how strong our planet Earth is to carry all this stuff. We can't even count how many energies we have. So many different identities. And actually, more and more beings come here. Do you know why? Because this planet becomes the planet of expression. Androgynous beings as me also will be coming more and more often here because we finally can freely express ourselves. Not everywhere, not still fully, because we still are dealing with misunderstanding and all this stuff, but we are coming here. Different civilizations will come. There are so many beings that want to express their source through this, let's say, game, through this perspective, because when we come here, we learn about ourselves through new experience. That's why we don't remember, that's why everything is just kind of erased. It's not erased, it's still there. You just connect to your source, to your spirit. All the information is in your spirit, because this is our physical mind. Physical mind needs also logic. It needs not just imagination, because all the imagination is actually coming from the spirit. This is how I see it. But this physical avatar is reacting also to outer world. Our physical mind is experiencing this reality directly. Focus here is so important. Now I am focused on you. This is my experience right now in the present direction. Now I turn to the light, and this is my experience for the physical mind. Now I see this palm tree, physical experience, direction, focus, attention. For the spirit, it's more 360. I am aware of things. This is how we know things, when we are looking at the things from the higher self perspective. We just know things. It's 360. But here with the physical mind, but also it's the beauty, because only here we can really focus. Many distractions, but when you focus, it doesn't matter. You go inwards and you focus there, because there are also many restrictions. We, with our physical mind, when we are connecting to the spirit, for example, to the soul, we can be distracted by the cats or by, what things I have to do. I have to clean the house, I have to go to work. Distractions are everywhere. And this life here on this planet is teaching us to focus, to follow that excitement, to respond, to read the signs, to connect, Connection is attention. Connection is care. Connection is direction. It's direct experience. So every action you do is a fucking success. From this moment, I want you to tell yourself every time when you start to do something, every time you make level up, tell yourself, this is fucking success. I am successful in what I do. The fact that I already follow my passion, follow my excitement, is telling me that I am successful. Everything you do that is the reflection of your energy is a success. I love you so much. Let me know in the comments how successful you are in what you do, or if you want to explore yourself more, also come for a tarot reading or come for a consultation. I'm here for you. I'm here for you. Begin to live the life that is true to you. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video, my beautiful magical being. Sending you all my love. Mwah! I love you.